What's up, guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut rear spoiler topographical map on this 2025 Subaru Forester. If you're interested in this product, it is available on our website. Link is in the video description below, as well as a link for all the products we offer for this particular vehicle. This is a dry application. The films that we use are primarily cut out of automotive wrap film, so it's going to have a air release feature to it, which allows, no bubble essentially. So with that being said, you want to start by cleaning the area of the vehicle where you're going to be working. Right prior to installation, go ahead and wipe it down with a microfiber and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. This helps get any contaminants off, and then you can go ahead and begin the installation process. And the only thing you're going to be needing for this particular install is a squeegee, but you won't need a heat source or anything like that. So once you're ready to go, you can go ahead and pull the film off the backing material. And you go ahead and get it aligned. On this top portion, you're gonna have to have a little bit of tension on it just to get it to go where you need it to go. All right. The reason why I pulled that up is I had a huge piece here that would never sit flush. So the nice thing about this material, the material coupled with this transfer paper, it allows you to pull it back up if the transfer paper wasn't so sticky. Then pretty much as soon as you put this down, the vinyl is going to be wanting to stick to the vehicle more than the paper. So this does give you the ability to move it around a little bit. It does make it a little bit harder to get the paper off, and I'll show you that here in a couple seconds. So once you got it aligned, you can go ahead and start to squeegee everything down. You could use the soft edge of your squeegee for this. The squeegees that we have available on our website, pretty similar to this, where it has a soft edge and a hard edge. But you could go ahead and use the soft edge to get the majority of this stuff down here. And right here, you're gonna have a little bit of tension as well. So if you just use your fingertips to apply that down. Then if you use the hard edge of the squeegee to get a little bit more pressure down on this film. Once we got all that down, we can go ahead and start to pull this up. I'm going to try to start in the center here. I'm also going to try to rip this film as I'm pulling it up. That way it'll make it a little bit easier. Probably not going to be able to rip it. So if you have just a knife, you can go ahead and give that a little slice. That way it will tear a little bit easier. So you're going to want to focus on, these edges. Primarily, that's where you're going to have an issue at if you have an issue. So the reason why I started at the center is when we get to the bottom here, there's a little bit of overhang that you're gonna have to tuck. And if you start at the bottom and try to pull your up, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna cut it one more time here. Go ahead and work this portion off. Make sure all your edges are stuck down. You also want to make sure that this section that you had a little bit of tension on is not pulling up as well. And then these last little guys, just make sure those are stuck down because those don't have too much surface area to hold them. Now we can pull this last section off. We're ready to roll here. So once you have all the paper removed, you can pull this DS off. Just get your fingertip under, or fingernail under it. Sort of pick at it until it starts to pull up. So now that you have that accomplished, I just go back over the whole thing, especially on the edges. Press it down again with your thumb pad or your fingertip. Then up top here, we're going to tuck this film underneath the spoiler. Then at the bottom, you're gonna tuck it underneath this this trim piece. This is where the squeegee comes in handy, because you can sort of work the film in and up a little bit if you use the corner here. And that is all for this one. Again, this is the gloss black film. We do have this available in a handful of other colors on our website. So if you're interested in something else, the gloss black is going to be the most common. It gives it a nice little contrast on this finish, which is sort of like a satin to matte finish on the actual factory spoiler piece. So if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a shout. Our contact information is on our website. And the link for this is in the video description below, as well as the rest of the products that we offer for this vehicle. Thanks for watching.